Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we help you become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscription button down below. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, it'll notify you every time a new tip is dropped. This comes today from a request that we got from Sharon B. So thank you, Sharon. She was looking at one of the videos about, I think it was a garbage disposal clog. And she wanted to know more about augering. Now, back in my day, we called this little fun guy a snake. Now they're called augers, and this is the reason it's an auger, is because this will go into, hopefully, whatever is clogging the drain and pull it out. So we're going to show you two types of augers that you can use, and it's probably a good idea to have at least one of them around the house. So first of all, we're going to show you a sink. We've taken the P-trap out, we've cleaned the P-trap, and we still are not getting water going down the drain. So let's show you how we do this. Okay, so first of all, we're going to unlock, and this is just a little thumb screw, so we can start feeding the snake into the drain. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push it in, and at some point it's going to stop. So you want to wiggle it a little bit back and forth because this actually could be just a turn in the pipe. But so once we get it to where it's stuck, then what you want to do is you want to tighten the thumb screw so this isn't going to move. And now you grab it here and you turn it. And so this is going to help that auger go into whatever is plugging it. And then when you think you've got it, you can just undo the thumb screw and start pulling it back. And this is a manual auger, so it's going to automatically wind this in here. You can get a power one, but these cost about $25. And it really is a good investment for your coin. So, now let's say that we didn't get anything. This is clean. Now what are we going to do? Well, there's two other places we can check. And we're going to use a different type of snake, just a bigger one. So let's go outside and we'll show you the two access points. All right, so what we used upstairs was a 1/4 inch coil. It's about 25 feet long. So if we didn't get anything there, you're going to have some access points. Usually they're going to be outside a bathroom or a kitchen sink, but some type of plumbing device. So you can see here, we've got this cap. So we just take a plumber's wrench, and we take it off. Now we have access. If we push it up, we'll go up a little bit. Otherwise, it's going to go straight on through into the main drain. Now, what we're going to use here this is a 1/2 inch auger. It's made out of steel. It's very springy. You can see the size of the auger. So what we would do, this is going to cost you maybe $40. But once you put it in, it's the same thing. You're going to have a thumb nut right here, and you're just going to push it through until you run into something. And then in this case, you're going to twirl it like this. And you always want to do it in a counterclockwise direction. The reason you want to do it in the counterclockwise direction, you can see we got something already, is that's the way you need to spin the auger. So this is your second access point. We're going to show you one more access point. And again, for the next access point, we won't get this out, but you would use the same 1/2 inch auger or snake, depending on how old you are. Back on the ship, we did call these snakes. or sometimes eels. Okay, the last access point is going to be the main drain. And this is where the drain comes out of the house and either goes out to the sewer in the street or to your septic tank. And it's going to be between the wherever the sewer system is and the house. So in our case, it's right here. And this one just has a little cap on it. You take a screwdriver to loosen this up. And then we just pull this off. And there's the main drain. So what we would do here, if we're looking to find where the clog is, the first thing I'm going to do is use that 50-foot half-inch auger, and I'm going to push it so it goes under the house and go as far as I can. And if I can't find anything, then I'll go the other way. Now, chances are, if it's between here and the sewer or the septic tank, you're going to have water backed up in there, because it means that it's not making it. You can try to do that. The scary part of this is, well, it's not. The scary part is from the coin in your treasure chest, because if the auger doesn't break whatever's loose, pull it out or push it through, it's probably tree roots, and you're going to need a professional for that. So, thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman. Especially big thanks to Sharon B for the suggestion. Anybody, if you have questions, if you have things you want to see, put it in the comments below. Tell us. We want to help you, because that's why we're here, is to help you save coin for your treasure chest and become more self-sufficient. So join the crew, hit the subscription button, smooth sailing.